So now guys, magtatapos po tayo ng isang game na kahit anong parkour game. Medyo nyo naman ako. Bata lang po ako. As you can see. Okay? Wala pong cheat dyan. Hindi ko po ito pinapalo sa kapatid ko. Pandalawa lang po ako. Grade 4 lang. So, ano po? Pro Garden. Ano sa inyo? Ba't kayo na dyan? Eto kaya. Hindi. Okay. Ito. Lag na lang nilagay. Join. Bro. I can't get now, bro. What do you know? Let me ask you guys something about because see this skin, bro. See this handsome little skin. My arm is not fully reloaded. Fine, I will finish this for all of you guys. Wait, I think I see some black bubble. Oops, wait. Anong mayroon dito? What? What is this, bro? Do you know that? Let's go to the video, bro. Oops, bro. I don't know to win it. My game's lagging. No, very close one. I won't get it. Actually, what is this there, bro? Okay, para siyang teleport. So dati, wala ko na rin. Ito naman yung ito. No, naglag. Don't ask me why did I even do this after, bro. To be honest, I didn't even know. Like, what? I'm the creator of... And, oh my god, I forgot to yell. I'm the creator of the count, bro. See? I'm the real one, bro. Oh my god. Getting on my nerves, bro. Ay, God. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Ay, 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 ay. There you go. There you go. Malapit na natin matapos. Malapit na nga. Hindi ba? 5 layer pa. Oh my god. Nakakalimutan ko tumalon. Bro! Nahulog. Oh, naglag. Okay. Diba? Naglag. Alam ko na. Wait. Ba't nga ba ako dito naglalaro? Hindi ito ang favorite game ko. Guys, may favorite kasing game ako. Laruin ko. Laruin ko po nga eh. Sorry kung narinig yun. Pero, nawiwi po ako. Sorry. Tara na po sa mga nakarinig nun. Di na nga po eh. And lagging, bro. What I just say that? Gago. Ito ang tulak. No. Guys, ba't naglalagang ako? Ha? Oo, naglalag siya. What? Sobrang lag naman. Sobrang lag. Ah! Bakit kayo talong? Hindi na nga silit. Inano nyo pa. Huwag mo akong itulak. Ha? The best way is just go here. Bro, I'm literally lagging right now. Good clutch. Good. Chupi! Okay, ready. Game. No! My game is literally lagging, bro.
Kaya wala akong stick man.
Don't speak.
Hindi meron.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shh. Or I'll
Wait.
make you shut up. Shut up.
Pwede ako pa.
Shut up! Shut up.
Pwede.
Shut up. Meron nag-grab mo. No, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Bakit? Oh, wow. Hindi na. I'm literally lagging right now, bro. Do you see that? It's lag, bro. Bro! Ay, forward din.
Kapanood yung tanan.
Chuk.
Mga ganyan.
Chuk. Chuk.
Oh. Kaya ka pala.
Jeez. Wait. No one even in here. No.
Hindi ko magtasal, pero ako magtasal ka.
Bro, I'm literally lagging right now, bro.
Diyan ka sa blue.
There. Ay.
Ang hot is
Hindi, wala akong ginagawa mo na. Hindi ako nag-wala. Mayroon man shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Shut up or I make you shut up.
Why I that ball?
Oops.
Why bad my ball?
No! Wait. No! Then it's easier. I just pull
Why?
back.
It's so weird.
In fact, if you're playing this game,
No.
don't go that way. To go that.
You have
Just go to go here. When you could just, bro, easy, bro, easy, bro, easy.
Why are you one board? I'm not one board.
Kaya naglalag.
I want sleep here.
Sabi ko, tama na ako pang sim.
Dudu.
Naglag ko. Game. Present na naman.
Subscribe ako, mamaya.
What I'm gonna do with the apple, bro?
Mamaya. Natapos mo yan, eh,
Apple,
no?
bro.
Sakit. Sintay mo. Sakit, sintay mo. Sakit, sintay mo. Sakit, sintay mo.
This is actually ako.
Sakit, sintay mo. Kaya kung meron ganito.
Shut up.
Stars mo din.
Mayra, manahimik ka. Or shut up. Mayra, just shut up. Or, you're kidding me, bro. Mayra. Shush, tapos natin
You
yung
have
na Mayra
not
before, bro.
join for me. You want join me? You okay?
Huwag mo akong tulakin.
Alin? Kasama sa'yo? Ay.
Nope, bro.
Bakit?
I'm gonna actually kill this.
Bakit tinulok ka niya ko, Sky?
Naang?
Dapat masama yan. Hampasin mo
Kaya
nga.
pala kayo eh.
Kailangan mo nun
Kala ko
para
yung disconnected na.
mahampas ka.
Shut up.
I'm not
Shut up or I'll make you shut up.
I'm not shahap.
Manahimik ka.
I want make. I want
Wait.
aral. I want doctor.
Bro, I hate this game, bro. Like,
I hate this.
why did you leave it the other day?
Yeah.
If just the people get
It's
mad
the-
at them. Like that.
Haha. You are
Mayra.
guy.
Manahimik ka, manahimik ka. Bro, my screen. Vera, manahimik ka. Manahimik ka, manahimik ka.
Gusto ko nga magsalita eh.
Hinaan mo. Sa isip mo laang. Ingay mo. So hard when a fraud comes in, bro. Like, the noob that do like, gonna easy make it, bro. Like, unti-unti lang yung inano nila. Talon and jump. Pero mga ano kasi, galaw ka na bago sa tatalon. Pero kasi mga pro. Jump and talon. Jump and walk.
No.
Di na, huwag ka na kasi pipili. Tama lang ito. Tama. Mahulog. Mismo. Hindi, wala kayo. Ganoon yung mga strict, ano.
Makakain ba?
Ay. Okay. Tumanta ako kung kaya ko naman din lalakad. No. What is this secret item, bro? Secret item, bro. What? What? What the fuck is this, bro? Free slap.
Poppy, layo up.
Oh my god. I feel like that was strong. Okay. And slap him. Okay. Bro. Very seriously. I'm almost like there, bro. Okay, I guess that was the season 1. And I'm gonna see you in the season 2. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. And orders are this scripted, bro, or just because of here you can see just HD admin that slash VIP or unlock VIP commands that oh my god, my phone is lagging. You can just this and serve and bro, I'm in the bro. Someone is... But I think we made it.
You made it, boy.
Oh, tinutulungan niya ako. Okay. So, thank you. Wait. Why she slapped me? That's kinda weird, but okay. I'm gonna introduce myself again. Oh, importante ba yun sa inyo? Sky po. Wala na pong hindi, wala po ako. Hindi nyo naniniwala. Yan. Ayan ang kuya ko. O yan, di ba? Kamukha. Bye. Ayan, yung pangit yan. And then, yan, magandang yun. Okay. Yung ginawan. Subscribe, buddy. Bye-bye.
Hello, I
Bye-bye.
want food.